Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable the ready to work feature or status on your job seeker account on Indeed.com in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So guys, head over to your account on Indeed, for example via the web version or mobile version, log into your account, and you will need to access your profile for that. So click into your profile icon and select this option here, profile. Now, inside your profile, guys, what you want to do is scroll to the very bottom, and here you will see the section ready to work. And if you enable it here, guys, you will give potential employers here on Indeed the signal that you're available to start right now, basically, when for the given employer. So you may simply enable it here and save this. Don't forget to click into save here. And that's it. You can turn it off anytime, of course, if you'd like to take a break or and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.